This is my new boyfriend. Welcome, Ted. Ted is a hair restoration device. So not only do you men lose your hair, shed sooner than you want, bald, recede, us women do too. We have the same DNA sometimes. And not only is it DNA, it's also COVID. It could be cancer and going through the chemo. It can be stress factors. It can be losing weight super fast, medications. It doesn't matter what it is. If you're within that first 10 years of shedding quicker than you want to, thinning, balding, it's resurrectable. So in other words, it's dormant. Those follicles are dormant. We can resurrect those. The cool thing about Ted, it's painless. The other device out there that's the most competitive to this is going to be microneedling. Very painful. The cool thing about Ted, we are ultrasounding a serum into these follicles, resurrecting these follicles. Within one treatment, people are seeing that baby fuzz come in. They're starting to see that hair strengthen. Very, very awesome.